Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn outreach follow-ups with Mailchimp, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn outreach follow-ups with Mailchimp, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your messages or the Sales Navigator outreach section. Select the conversations or follow-ups you want to back up. Copy the text of each follow-up individually. Now, open a new tab and log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for a free version. Once logged in, go to the Campaigns section in Mailchimp. Click on Create Campaign to start a new project. Choose a regular email to set up a new email campaign. Add a descriptive name for your campaign for easy identification later. Now, select your audience, ensuring you have a list set up for these outreach follow-ups. In the Email Design section, drag and drop a text block into the template. Paste the copied LinkedIn follow-up text into the text block. Format the content as needed, making sure it looks clean and professional. Set up additional follow-up sequences if you have multiple messages for different contacts. Once you have all your follow-ups added, review your email content. When you are satisfied, click on the Confirm button to finalize your campaign. Schedule or send your email to ensure the follow-ups are delivered to your audience. Lastly, monitor the campaign's performance through Mailchimp's analytics tools. This way, you will keep track of engagement and improve future outreach efforts. Your LinkedIn outreach follow-ups are now safely backed up and can be accessed anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.